I'm really excited, that's why I am smiling so much. Guys, we are going to do parasailing right now. Good morning you guys and welcome to my Alibag vlog. This is going to be my first ever travel vlog, and this time I'm really very excited because I'm going somewhere like out of my house for a trip after more than a year. Like last time I went somewhere was in September 2019, and oh my god, it feels so good. Okay, finally I'm going somewhere. So yeah, I thought I'll take you guys along. Also, we all took a bath, got ready, and I'll show you my outfit in a second. थोड़ा भाव तो दे दे। मेरे को वॉइस ओवर नहीं करना था, तो this is what I'm wearing, a white mesh top with the most comfy leggings ever, and my shoes. So yeah, have a look. Okay, so I got my room and I'll give you a quick room tour. Like it's a villa, 3 BHK wala. So I'll show it to you how it looks from the inside. I'm really excited, that's why I am smiling so much. So yeah, let's see. I haven't seen it entirely, like first floor I saw. Uppar abhi mere ko bhi jana hai. So let's go and see it together. So this is the first room. Pretty basic. Oh, hello. And here's the washroom. Me again. Then here's the hall. This is the dining table, and I think this is the kitchen area. Mama, say hi. Hi. And then we go upstairs from here. So this is the next room. Like once we come from here, here's the next room, and it's cute. Not too fancy but cute, and it has this ginormous windows and a mini balcony. And what's here? Oh, the balcony is here too. It's really pretty. Here's the washroom. Oh, this one has a tub as well. And that's me again. My camera sucks actually. Then here we have the last room, that is the third room, and this one is cute as well. Oh, I think they have the joint gallery or balcony. No, this one's separate. It has like a wall here, so it's different. And one mirror again. What's here? Oh, so from here you can see the hall. What's upstairs? Terrace. Then on the top there's a terrace. I don't know if it's open or not. My sister is saying it's not open. But let's see. It is. Oh my god.
यहाँ पे से that swimming pool वाला area is also visible.
So yeah, that was my little villa tour and I really like it. I'm really impressed by it. The only drawback is कि resort बहुत अंदर अंदर है और इतना narrow road है. I think vlog में मैंने वो clip डाल दी होगी. So it's very narrow but it's fine. It's very cute and pretty. We are going to have lunch now. यहाँ resort में I'm going to have it, so I'll catch you guys there. Lunch करने के बाद. You guys, I got ready for the beach and look at my lashes, they look so pretty. I've tried a new mascara today and I'm really impressed by this mascara, and you might see that in one of my hauls coming up. So yeah, I really love this mascara. Look at my eyes, they look so pretty. So I've applied mascara and lipstick. That's my go-to makeup forever, like every day and every time. So yeah, I forgot to show you all my outfit. I don't know if you can see it. वो एक मैं बीच पे जाके दिखाऊंगी. See you बीच पे. Can you all see how crowded it is? I wanted to make reels and videos and take a lot of pictures, but look at how many people are here. I mean, the whole beach is completely filled with people. But the sunset is amazing. I don't know if the camera is catching it or not, but I love sunset and this is so pretty. We sat on this amazing horse ride, which was so much fun. We kept laughing throughout the ride, as you can clearly see, and it also took us through water, like dekh. So it was really very fun. Guys, we are going to do parasailing right now and I'm so scared. I mean, अभी हम boat में हैं, अब तक गए नहीं हैं, but I'm very scared. I'm going to sit with my mama and Preet is going to sit with Masi. And we're very scared. I don't know if clip लेने मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, but we'll try. Guys, do you see that parachute right there? So we'll go in that boat with the help of this boat and shift in the middle of the ocean and then do parasailing, and also look at the sunset. I mean, it is so pretty. How was the experience parasailing? It was amazing! Wow! I am back from the beach and paragliding was awesome. I am little upset because मेरी बहन ने इतनी गंदी वीडियो निकाली कि मैं और मेरी मम्मा साथ में गए थे, तो we are looking completely black. My face is not visible. मैंने उसकी बहुत अच्छी निकाली, उसने मेरी ऐसी निकाली. आई एम लुकिंग, मतलब दिख ही नहीं रहा कि वो मैं हूँ, कोई और है ऐसा लग रहा होगा आप लोग को. तो आई थिंक अगर हम कल गए तो मैं वापस जाऊँगी. इट वॉज अमेजिंग एंड वन डिसएडवांटेज वॉज when until my turn came, the sun had already set, so it was a little dark, not completely dark, a little dark, so I could not experience the entire sunset, but it was still very pretty. Like, I was so many feet above the waters, above the ground level, in the middle of the ocean, and that view was amazing. I really enjoyed that a lot. So now I'm back from the beach. आज बीच पे सिर्फ पैरासेलिंग करी हमने और वो एक हॉर्स राइड जो थी. And I came back and I got ready because यहाँ पे resort में there's a DJ night with a bonfire. So this is what I'm wearing. मैंने आपको पहला outfit भी नहीं दिखाया ना, sorry. अभी दिखाती हूँ ये वाला पहले. गाइस, फिर मेरे आउटफिट ऑफ द डे की वीडियो लेने के लिए रेडी नहीं है. मॉर्निंग यू गाइस एंड वेलकम टू द डे 2. सो सॉरी मैंने कल रात को व्लॉग नहीं किया बिकॉज आफ्टर हैविंग डिनर आई केम टू माई रूम, लाइक माई विला रूम, एंड देन व्हाट डिड आई डू? Nothing much. I just completed my chem assignment. One answer I had to write, so I did that. Then I went for a walk in the villa only at night with my brother, my sister, and my uncle. So yeah, that's all I did. Then I came back and then went to sleep. So now it is 8:15 and I've woken up so early because I have to स्टडी फॉर माई कैम प्रैक्टिकल्स. एंड यहाँ पे नेटवर्क का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर इन द ब्लॉग दैट दिस रिजॉर्ट इज़ वेरी इन द इंटीरियर, लाइक रास्ता भी जो आता है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नैरो. सो यहाँ नेटवर्क का बहुत इशू है. एंड द वाईफाई इज़ देयर बट इट वर्क्स ओनली इन द लॉबी, resort ka lobby. So I have to sit there for my chemistry practicals, but the problem is that my practical timings are from 1 to 4, and between 1 to 4 they can call me anytime, like for 15 to 20 minutes. They'll take my viva and then I'll have to give an MCQ test at 4. So yeah, so that is the problem. I cannot sit in the lobby for 3 straight hours waiting for my roll number to come, because of course I cannot sit with my laptop in front of everybody and keep waiting there. So I've texted my sir and stuff is happening. He did not reply, so let's see what happens. But coming back to the vlog, how beautiful the morning is, and it is very 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 cold. Like दिन के time में it's normal and थोड़ा सा गर्म होगी, but the morning is very pretty and it is super cute and super cold. Let me show you guys. Guys, here I am attending my practicals, waiting for my roll number to come. Guys, I'm done with my viva. So abhi I am thinking to get ready and click pictures because we are going to have lunch in our room only. We are getting it from a place outside the resort. Because I have my MCQ test on 4 o'clock, so I have to attempt that. So I cannot go right now because it's 2:35 already, so we cannot go out to eat, so we'll order it in our room. And yeah, I'll have that, then I'll give my practical exam, then we'll go to the beach. And so now I'll go and click some pictures. I'm not going to study anymore for the MCQs because ho jayega. Ready for day 2. मेरी ज़्यादा clips सब यहीं की है because I love this gallery. It makes my skin glow and I look pretty. Again, look at my eyes. That's the magic of my new mascara. But I'm not really happy with my eyelash color. Anyway, so I am ready. And this is my outfit of the day to go. I'll show you. That's my outfit of the day. Just a basic bodycon dress, nothing really much. And also मैं इसके ऊपर एक jacket पहनने वाली because beach पे it gets colder, and यहाँ पे भी in the morning it was really very cold. So yeah, and the reason why I always keep playing with my hair in my vlog, like in all of the clips, is because I love my hair. That does not make any sense, but yeah. Let's go and click some pictures. I'm finally done with my chemistry practicals and now we'll go to the beach.